All right, welcome to my ConvertPages AI review. This is like a ClickFunnels, go high level type of alternative. If you're looking for a quick way to create squeeze pages, bridge pages, landing pages, this might be the software for you. This just launched today, June 10th. We're going to take a look at it. We've got access and I will be going over a bonus for you. So this is the main benefit of this is that you're going to get a lifetime deal or one-time payment for a tool that can create really nice looking squeeze pages that will allow you to go and build your email list. And if you don't know, from a marketing standpoint, an email list is still the most powerful way to get traffic to your videos, to your offers, to your books, all that kind of good stuff. And all right, so this takes you to the pricing. It starts at $37 for the standard, but for Pro, for just $77, you get a ton more. You can see right over here. You get more email notifications, exit pop-ups with Pro add-ons. You get A/B split testing. You get warp speed hosting, CDN. You get one-click AI auto-generate. You get email notifications, all kinds of stuff. So this is the one that you probably should pick up. And then I'm just going to go over real quick. There are some OTOs, so one-time offers, but it's recommended to get the $77 plan there. There also is a bundle that you will be presented with on the checkout page. You get the entire funnel, and that's for $197. So you get the entire funnel opportunity right there. The rest of the one-time offers have to do with affiliate money, making money with affiliate marketing, list building, traffic, all kinds of stuff. Okay. But without further ado, let's go dive into the software. But before I do that, let me just go over the bonus that I created specifically for this launch, Pages AI. I just got done recording a really great free traffic training right here where it's called free traffic injection. You get 3 free ways to get more buyers. And I actually show you how I actually get traffic to affiliate marketing and how I've made over $700,000 with affiliate marketing. And I go over how to get traffic to, like you're going to go in here, you're going to create these really awesome pages and you're going to become an affiliate, right? You're going to use these convert pages but you still need traffic, right? You can have the best page in the world, the best squeeze page, all that. But if you don't have traffic going to your offers, then you're not going to make any ground, right? You're not going to build momentum. You're not going to be able to make any sales because you just don't have any traffic going to your actual pages. So that's what this traffic goes over the shoulder training on how I actually get traffic in my affiliate marketing business. 3 ways to do it. Okay. I'm throwing in there this right here, the 7-day affiliate promo calendar and traffic swipe kit right there. And then also a brand new software that I created about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And it's called Product Spark AI. And this will allow you to discover your next digital product idea in seconds. You just use the software. You say, hey, here's the type of product I'd like to create. Here's an idea I might have. You push a button and then it actually spins out 10 concepts for you that you could actually go out there and start building. And you can build them 100% with AI, or you could it'll even help you, create and mind map a course that you want to create. And then you would go and actually record the videos and so forth. So really cool product there as well. And so that's the bonus package. Just go in. If you click the link below and you actually do pick up ConvertPages with my link, then you do get access right away to all of these bonuses. And again, this free traffic injection is a training that I just put together, 100%, never been used before, brand new bonus for you from yours truly. All right, let's get started in the actual software over here. So this is what the dashboard will look like. There are, account settings. You'll come in here and you can go and hook up your domain. It literally will let you hook up your own domain for your account. There's integrations over here. You can integrate GetResponse, Aweber. They're going to be adding ActiveCampaign and MailChimp. But if your email provider is not on here, which mine is not, I was with GetResponse for the last 10 years, but I since then moved over to System. But I'll show you, and I've already tested, this does work with System as well, because they allow you to embed an HTML form code, which 99% of email providers will provide that for you. And so we'll go and take a look at that as well. So you pretty much do all that. They do have a help center right over here. I'm actually right click and open that up in a new tab. And you have this whole help center right over here on how to do everything right over here. So very well, even right over here, that HTML thing. So you'll just go over here, HTML form code. We'll click on that and there's literally a video. Ben Fletcher is the creator of the software, been a marketer for like the last 20 years. One of the great affiliate marketers on the Warrior Plus platform. And he takes you through how this works and how you can go and get a form code that looks like this and so forth. And it works just great. And so it's a well done product. I can tell you right now, it's a well done product that hours and hours and hours were spent creating this software and all the training that comes with it. You can do A/B split tests. We can go with new page right over here. You can go with a squeeze page, bridge page. We'll just go with a squeeze page right over here. And then you have all these templates right over here that you can choose from. They look really, really good. I'm going to go with, let's just go with this green one right over here. So you can preview them as well. And it'll show you what it looks like right there. We can go and take a look at this one. That one actually looks really good. Let's go with that one. So you'll just push use a template right over here. Now what you can do is, this is what's really cool, affiliate product name, right? So let's just go and say we go and we're going to, promote a product. Let's just go over here and we'll just say we're going to go, let's actually just use Ben Fletcher's ConvertPages, the one that we're using right now. So what I'll do is I'd go over to the sales page, and this is the sales page right over here. And so what I would do is I'd grab the sales page and then we'd come back into the software and we would just paste that sales page in right there. And then right over here, we would just say, convert pages AI. And then we would generate our content. So auto generate with AI right here. I want to come back over here and I want to take a look real quick. The one-click AI auto generate, I believe that is only on the pro version. So you're going to want the pro access in order to be able to do that. So now you have retargeting codes, pixels right there. If you want to, we can go and you can, click on authority box. You can take that off right there. So see how we just one click and then we can replace our image right here. We can upload your own image. Let's just go do that real quick. And then you can see we replaced it with my image right there. And then obviously we would just go like this. So you can easily change that out. You can come up here and change the size, change the color, the font, all that stuff right there. And then you can go over here, like there's this enable social proof. So you click on this and then you have this right over here. So trusted by 4,000 subscribers, you can add that. You can click that off, which is cool. You can even change how many avatars. You can just take that down or you can make it with a lot more. Let's go with that. And then you have the right avatars, or you can move them on the left right there as well. A lot of fine tuning. Now here's the very important part right over here. So the autoresponder, you can go with get response Aweber, but you can see right over here, HTML form code, right? And this is where you'd get your form code. So let me go and grab mine real quick. And just a little secret for you guys, you just go in and save your code once. So I'd come up over here and I would just type in code, and you can see I have my system IO form code right here. And then you would just paste that form code in the box right there. And then it literally turns green, form detected, and we're good there. And then you have a thank you. We can redirect to a URL if we want. And you can change the message of when someone signs up, email me on every opt-in. You can do a notification there if you want to. You have your privacy policies already ready to go. Obviously, you're going to spend some time, the most time right here. But this all changed with putting in. So if we click on settings, because we went into the AI content, we applied this, right? So the 3-minute affiliate page secret that's quietly stealing leaderboard spots. So all this, I don't know if you noticed, but this all changed and updated based on the sales page. Based on the page over here, we literally come over here and it updated and created this sales page immediately. Now what we can do is, let's just say we come over here and I want to come back up here and get a logo right here. I'm going to right click, and the right click isn't working. So I'm going to go and just take a screenshot of this, and we're just going to go like this, and I'm going to capture, and then we can go back into ConvertPages. We can click on the image and we can go and upload. It's going to pull in some other software, some other pictures that are on that page. It will actually pull those in. So we could pull this in right there, or we can upload an image and just go into our pictures, grab that picture that we just uploaded right there, boom, and we have our ConvertPages right there. What I would like to see is, okay, so we actually can change this too. I mean, look at this. This is awesome. We can change the size and make that like that. I like that a lot. And then push done. So you can change the size. Everything's just drag and drop. It really is. So free video, how affiliates build pages in 3 minutes flat, boom. It's branded to myself, all of the branding right here, and you're ready to go. And when you're ready, and what is that website part? My website. So we just put this in. We could just say, put in your business or something like that. And then we can go like this and push the publish button. And this is going to be, I'm going to say it's ConvertPages AI. So you could actually go out there and then now our page is live. So we can copy this. Remember, you can do your own domain. You can hook up your own domain, or it's just going to look like this, convertpages.co, and it's going to have a code right there. And you can go and send this page out now. You can put this in your YouTube description, send traffic to this. And when people get this, you can go right over here. And let's just say someone comes and signs up right here. And I'm actually just going to put in like test and put a little bit of text right there. And then I'm going to put in like a test 1, 2, 3, 4 Google, and I'm just going to put in some and then at gmail.com. You can see I just put in that long string right there because I'm already subscribed to the list probably several times. And so the autoresponder won't actually work. So I'm going to say go like this, boom. And this is what it's going to look like on system. It's requiring the surname right there. And I'm going to push save. So there's probably something in my form code. I need to probably create a new form code. That form code works with a different piece of software. That form code, I could take off the requirement for that surname, if you will. But then now I could go into my system account and just show you that we just got that test 1, 2, 3, 4 Google, whatever. And you can see that it's 610 right here and it just came in. So it actually did transfer over to system. So that's how the HTML works. Again, it'll work flawlessly also with Aweber and with GetResponse, and then any other one that you have, and just use that HTML form code. So you've got this branded squeeze page right over here, and with all the social proof and everything, looks very, very nice. Remember, you have all those other templates as well. You could also come in and remember, you've got all these different settings and backgrounds and all that. I'm just going to go click on and get out of there. You have stats. So how many published pages you have, how many total visitors you're getting, opt-ins. You can go in here to your squeeze pages. You can see there's your new page right over there. And it's going to give you all the stats right over there. And then you have, let's go take a look at bridge pages. So we'll go to new page and we'll go to bridge page. And then they have these different bridge pages that you can go and take a look at as well. So I'm going to preview this. This is what this one looks like right over here. And it's kind of like a squeeze page, only someone clicks on this and it'll take them to like a sign up page, right? Let's go take a look at this one right over here. I like this one as well. So the bridge page, I mean, it's going to work the same way. This is the VSL template right over here. You can go click on this. You can actually use an image. You can go and create your own image right over here, and you can go to settings. There's a lot that you can do. You can get this up and be as simple as you want, and you can be as complex as you want. So you would just change this video out with a video. You can remove that as well, but this is one of the pages as well. So that is the tool, ConvertPages. It's affiliate page builder right here, and here's some of the highlights that you get. Instead of spending 4 hours on each page, you're live in 3 minutes, time for another. Remember when we grabbed that page, we put it in there and we pasted it, and then it changed the page immediately to actually market to that page, that affiliate offer that we're actually trying to promote. It did that. It does that in seconds. And so you're not going to be sitting there fumbling around with this for, hours on end. You're going to be able to get a page up and running very, very quickly. A lot of other funnel builders like this, and like ClickFunnels, for example, charge minimum $97 a month up to $300 a month on their premium plan. You can pay just $37 for this. I do recommend you picking the $77 product up if you don't pick up anything else, because the $77 will get you that AI access, that one click. AI writes all the words, templates designed to actually convert from a professional affiliate marketer that's been doing this for 20 years. You get all the SSL, the hosting, all that stuff is done and hosted on ConvertPages. This could be your ClickFunnels replacement right here for a one-time fee of $37 or $77. Remember that bundle as well. For $197, you get everything. There are some more bonuses that you get when you sign up as well. Now remember, my exclusive bonus package that I put together for you, free traffic injection. So you can actually, it's great that you can build these pages and everything, but you actually need to get traffic. And my training shows you you don't have to use paid ads to do this. This is how I've built my entire business the last 5 years and made hundreds of thousands of dollars with free traffic. So I show you how to do all this on 3 different ways, 3 different strategies on how to get the traffic and start building your actual affiliate marketing business. And I've got these other bonuses right here. Thanks so much. The link will be below, and I'll see you in the next video.